Hello everyone. Well, in this video, I'm going to discuss about the data-driven testing using the external file. If you look at our current scenario outline, we have hard-coded the data set which is needed. Now, this approach is okay when you have a limited number of data set, but this approach will create a problem when you have a large data set for the scenario outline. In that case, it is always a better approach to store the data set in an external file system and use it during the runtime in the scenario outline. So I have created a CSV file that is comma separated file and kept my data inside that file. During the runtime, I'm going to read this file, load the data and pass it to the scenario outline. So first let me create a duplicate copy of this scenario and update the title also. Before the execution of this scenario, we need to read the data from the file and keep it ready. So for this, I will use the background section. And then I will create a variable that will store the data. And in order to read the file, I will use the read API from the Karate framework. And then just specify the name of the file. In our case, both the feature file as well as the data file is in the same package. That's why I have just given the name of the data file. If the data file is in some other package, then we need to specify the absolute path or the relative path. And then I can use this test data directly in the example. So I will remove all this data set and then have only one column and one row with this variable. So this variable contain all the data which is coming from the CSV file. And in the scenario steps, I'm using certain variables and that variables are coming from the header row which is present in our CSV file. So let me go ahead and run this runner. So all the scenario are passing. Let me update one of the row in the CSV file. So in this case, one of the scenario should fail. Now, as we have specified the reading of the data in the background section, that means this section will get executed for all the scenario which is present inside this feature file. So if you want to avoid the read operation, you can directly move this code in the data table itself, like this. And let me run the runner again. So this is another way of reading the data from the external file and supplying it to the scenario.